everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096. If you don't have an account, I surely would appreciate it if you would put my little creative partner number in there so that you and I can connect online. Today I got a surprise in the mail. I got my Kiwi Club kit. This is the April 2025 Kiwi Club kit. And today is April 5th. Usually I get these around the 7th to the 10th, but it was early this month and it's a Saturday, which is perfect time to do a video. So I haven't opened it yet. I do know the subject and, well, as a lot of you do, it's dinosaurs. So we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you all the paper, the templates, and all of the sentiment cards. Okay, so let's open it up. It's a bit of an overcast day here in North Dallas, North DFW, so if there's a shine on the package, I will be removing it from the plastic, so that will go away shortly. But I wanted to show you that everything comes nicely packaged in its own cellophane bag. Ooh, my templates are in the box still. They've changed the way that they've packaged things, and they've been doing the templates separately than the paper and the sentiment cards. So if you open your box up and they're not in the plastic, look in the box. Okay, so here we have all of the paper. No templates, but we have the sentiments card and the 6x12 sheet. And here's my templates. I found them. We will go over those in a little bit. Okay. In each Kiwi Club kit, there are a brand new theme template set, the sentiment cards, which are right there, in 12 by 12 double-sided sheets of paper that are 80 pounds each, as well as the QR code. Where's the QR code? Well, it's on the bag. It's also on the box. And if you go into the Kiwi Club section of the community, you will be able to download the idea book there. If not, just let me know and I'll help you out. This month, Kiwi is suggesting that we try pairing the contents of this kit with these 3 accessory and border sets. They are Adventure, one of my favorites. I use it a lot. Aspen Court, that one right here, the number 3A and 3B, that coordinates with one of the Funky Frills ones that gives you a really nice border, sort of like a double border. And then the Expressions. My favorite one is the oval with the scallop that goes around it. Also, they have some page ideas and some subjects that you can use this page kit for, such as museum trips, science projects, dinosaur lovers. I don't have any of those. So what I'm going to do is I go through each of the papers and I show you side A and side B. Most likely I'm going to be using side B because I don't have any of these. My daughter is older, she's 30, and I don't have any dinosaur pictures. I could go somewhere, but for now we'll figure it out. Okay, so let's go through all of the papers. It's really, really cute paper though. This one has dinosaurs all over it in very, very nice primary colors. The blue and the red and the green and the yellow. Very nice. Really, really cute dinosaurs. Okay, so this is side A. And this is side B. And as I said, because I don't have little kids, I have cats. I could use it for my cats, couldn't I? Little monsters. There's an idea. So maybe side A, but probably side B too. Okay, and the next piece of cardstock is this really, really pretty blue. Really pretty. Side A, side B, like this, you know how they have jimmies for ice creams? That's what this reminds me of. So I'm going to go with side A. Okay. The next is a darker blue. Call this a sky blue. And it has a pattern in it. Side A. Side B. It reminds me of an African print. Nothing against it. It's just not my style. So I'm probably going to do side A. Here's a pretty yellow. Reminds me of a beehive. So I'll probably be using side A unless side B surprises me. So this is side A. Really nice, bright, sunshiny yellow. And side B. Interesting. I might be using both. The next one is a geometric pattern on like an Aztec-y blue design. Side A. It has the same primary little colors in it as that first dinosaur page. Side A. Side B. Oh, I love this green. That's really pretty. It reminds me of wallpaper. We discussed wallpaper before, haven't we? There was a company long ago called Chatterbox, and all of their pages were designed after rooms. This reminds me of one of those patterns. It's just really pretty. So this is side A, and this is side B. I've already chosen enough blues, so we'll go with side A. Now these are the supporting sheets, and now we have the background sheets, and there's 2 of each of these. Okay, so this is side A. It looks like rainfall coming sideways. This is side A, and this is side B, a really pretty orange. I'm not sure which of these I'm going to use. Probably one of each. Good thing there's 2, right? And then the next 2 background sheets are side A. Nice thing is I can show you these both at the same time. And side B, which is sort of like the blast rainfall sheet. I'm calling it rainfall because that's what it looks like to me. And this is a green one. Not the blue, just the same pattern. I'm probably going to use side A. Okay. And this is like an Easter grass green, prehistoric green, sorry, dinosaur green we'll call it. So this is side A, and again there's 2 of these, and this is side B. I really do like the blue, so I think I'm going to use the blue. Okay, and these are background sheets, but you can use them for whatever you want. It's your kit, do as you want. That's my motto. There are no rules in scrapbooking for me. Next, we're going to go through the sentiment cards. I'm going to have all the information on how you can order this kit. If you just want the templates also, I'll provide a link for that. But you do have to subscribe. Okay, so we're going to do the larger ones. These you can use with templates, just trace around them with templates. So side A. Side B. You're awesome. Side A. Side B. And remember, if you don't like the cards, you can use them for photo mounting or photo corners, cutting templates shapes out of them, wishing you a dynamite birthday. Oh, if it was only a big mouse, I could do Chuck E. Cheese. I have Chuck E. Cheese pictures. Side A. Side B, or you could just make a card with this, a birthday card. But then again, I don't go to birthday parties. RAWR means I love you in dinosaur. Side A. Side B, photo corners. You can cut photo corners out of these. Lots of things. Field notes with little dinosaur prints down here. You're important. You're kind, you're smart, you're brave, you're amazing, you're strong, and most of all, you are loved. That's cute. Okay, so side A, I like the little arrows that are in there. You could use the arrow from the Love Struck if you were here that long ago, and you could use that template. Side B. And yes, I've been a Kiwi Lane creative partner for that long. Stay curious. Side A. Side B. Let the world hear you roar. Okay. I could use that for my cat, couldn't I? Side B. Anyway, those are all of the sentiment cards. Now, what people really want to see is the template sets, because this is a template set that would be great for little boys and little girls going to the museums, Smithsonian. This template set is called Jurassic. And now with all of the club template sets you receive, I'll show you. Ooh. You will receive this. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This handy dandy index tab. If you have the Kiwi Lane organizational system, you just pop this on one of their pockets and you'll be able to find your templates. Now I do my storage sets a little bit differently. I do use index tabs, but mine are all custom made by me because I need them all to match. I don't like things that don't match. Okay? In this set, there is a chevron-like border. This is number 8. There's down here below it says Jurassic 8 of 8, which means there's 8 templates in this set. So that's number 8 of 8. And number 7 of 8 is just the same. So you can continue on your border. Let's see. Number 6 of 8 is this really cool dinosaur. See? And the borders are, that's why my ruler is here, 10 inches. I'm going to say 10 by 3 when they go together. This dinosaur, he is approximately, I'm going to do it from tail to here, 7 inches, and he is about 5 3/4, almost 6 inches. Okay. Number 5 is this dinosaur footprint, so you can do dino tracks, and this one measures 3 inches by just over 4 inches. So dino tracks, that was number 5. So we'll do number 4 next. Number 4, see, it has number 4 on it. Don't ask me what kind of dinosaurs these are because I don't know. I'm a girl mom. I don't know these things. 5 inches by 2.5. Maybe my husband knows, but he's in the other room. I'm not going to disturb him. That was number 4. Number 3. Yeah, I don't know where this one is either. 4.5 by 3. Can I make pages with these? Possibly. I'll just have to figure something out. I don't know what. I know I use the border, and I probably could use this one as a flower or something. Number 2 of 8 is 2.5 by 2 1/4. So that would make an interesting flower, don't you think? Something like that. Or I could use even this one, number 1 of 8, as a flower. That's just over 1.5 by 1 3/4. So I could use this as a flower or a cracked egg. That could be what that is, I'm not sure. A prehistoric flower, something, I don't know. We'll figure something out. But if you're interested in this kit during the month of April, all you need to do is go to the Kiwi Lane website. I'll provide my link down below. Put in my number if you don't already have a creative partner. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe. You can cancel your subscription at any time, but I'm sure that once you see the papers, that dino paper really, really is cute. Let's have another look at it. Really cute. I'm sure that once you see the paper and the templates, you'll change your mind and you want to keep going. So thank you for watching. I'll have a link to the Kiwi Club kit, the template only kit, the Premiere kit, as well as my Facebook page and my website. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.